Hello guys, in today's video, I'm dishing out to you 5 skills you need to become an industry-relevant consultant. And by industry, I mean small-scale companies. This works for large companies as well, but our focus is on small-scale industries because not only do they need you more, you can easily get to them as well. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Otherwise, welcome back. The subscribe button and the bell are to your right. If you want to see more of such content on your timeline, feel free to punch it. All right, let's dive right in. Skill number 1. Ability to identify a specific industry problem. That is, ability to niche down to a specific industry problem. This is so key. Remember the famous saying, the riches are in the niches. After studying over 90 plus courses in school, ideally in engineering school, you probably think you can do everything. Sure, probably you might be able to do a lot of things, but be careful. People don't remember the jack of all trades but master of none. People remember the specialist. Think of it like a sci-fi movie where you have a target in a moving train. Man, you need a one-time hitman who will be able to bring down the target with a single shot, not the adventurer. Be the specialist. Obviously, upon graduation, you will need some time and experience to become this hitman. Therefore, finding a niche or solving a specific category of problems is your safest and fastest bet to acquire expertise. Skill number 2, analytical skills. Ability to identify problems or business opportunities. This is a complementary skill to the first skill. You have to possess that intelligence acumen to be able to spot opportunities. Identify what is not working and why. I call it complementary because niching down leads to domain mastery. When you master a system, you can easily benchmark and identify vacancies and spot new opportunities. Your knowledge from school training already makes you a very analytical person. You only need to add inquisitiveness to it. That is by asking why and how, and then you become that analytical individual. Skill number 3, you need to have a structured problem-solving process. This is where we fall into the try and error loop or fall into the I once did it cycle. Everything you do should and must be backed by a well-structured and validated process. When your industry solution is repetitive, you will serve more clients while spending less time in doing so. So, as you identify a specific category of problems and succeed to solve it, you should build a structured process to repeat your solution. If you have any questions to know more about this point, link up with me in the comment section and we'll engage more. Skill number 4, communication presentation skills, soft skills, influential talking ability, data organization skills. Yeah, you should be able to treat data with care as well as correctly analyze them. Some consultants even work with third-party companies to analyze this data for them. Yeah, you got me well. You must not do it all by yourself. In your business model, this is known as shifting key resources to key partners if you cannot handle certain aspects by yourself. Anyway, more on that later. Feel free to link up with me to find out more. All right, the 5th industry relevant skill. This is equally very important. Interactive design skill. Beautiful organization of information and images in a comprehensive fashion. You have good design skills to create stunning presentations. Fortunately for you, this channel helps you with design tips to level up your skills. But design and copywriting should help you be more convincing and appealing to listen to. All right, that's been it for today's session. Catch you in the next one. A sub to the channel will keep you up to date with useful insights in the areas of successful consulting and design career.